How does 2TG DRDO's new oral drug for COVID-19 work? The National Drug Regulator Drugs Controller General of India has cleared the formulation on May 1 for emergency use of an adjunct therapy in moderate to severe COVID-19 patients. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Monday released the first batch of the indigenously developed anti-COVID-19 drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose or 2DG. The National Drug Regulator Drugs Controller General of India had cleared the formulation on May 1 for emergency use as an adjunct therapy in moderate to severe COVID-19 patients. The formulation 2DG has been developed by the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, INMAS, New Delhi, a lab of the Defense Research and Development Organization in collaboration with Hyderabad-based pharma company Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, the Minister of Defense has said in a release earlier this month. How it works? According to the government release, clinical trials data show that the molecule helps in faster recovery of patients hospitalized with COVID-19 and reduce their dependence on supplemental oxygen. The drug accumulates in virus-infected cells and prevents the growth of the virus by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. Its selective accumulation in virally infected cells makes the drug unique, the release said. The drug will be immense benefit to the people suffering from COVID-19, it said. Clinical trials. During the first wave of pandemic in April 2020, laboratory experiments carried out by scientists in INMAS DRDO in collaboration with the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, found that the molecules work effectively against SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus that causes the COVID-19 disease and inhibits viral growth. In May 2020, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization of the DGCI permitted phase 2 clinical trials of 2DG in COVID-19 patients. DRDO and its industry partner DRL conducted phase 2 trials on 110 patients between May and October last year, the government says. Phase 2A was conducted in 6 hospitals and phase 2B was conducted at 11 hospitals across country. On the basis of successful phase 2 clinical trials data, DCGI permitted phase 3 clinical trials in November 2020. Between December 2020 and March 2021, late-stage trials were carried out on 220 patients admitted to 27 COVID hospitals in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, the government said. Trial data. The phase 2 clinical trials were carried out to test the safety and efficacy of the drug in COVID-19 patients. 2DG was found to be safe in COVID-19 patients and showed significant improvement in the recovery, the government release said. In efficacy trends, the patients treated with 2DG showed faster symptomatic cure than standard of care on various endpoints, the release said. A significantly favorable trend, 2.5 days difference was seen in terms of the median time to achieve normalization of specific vital signs parameters when compared to SOC. Data from the phase 3 clinical trial showed that the 2DG arm, a significantly higher proportion of patients improved symptomatically and became free from supplemental oxygen dependence by day 3 in comparison to SOC, indicating an early relief from oxygen therapy dependence, the government said. A similar trend was observed in patients aged more than 65 years. Advantages. According to the government, a 2DG being a genetic molecule and an analog of glucose, it can be easily produced and made available in large quantities. The drug is available in powder form in sachet and can be taken orally after dissolving in water. Thank you.